Hello, today I'm in AUDI Q3. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the instrument cluster. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage the instrument cluster settings. Firstly, via these buttons, you can switch instrument cluster menu between trip info, alerts, radio and phone. If you press view button, you can switch view of the instrument cluster. Via this rolling button, you can change menu on the instrument cluster, and via this button you can go to trip computer or reduced display. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.